Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grocery haul from Save-A-Lot. It is a stock-up haul and there is quite a bit of items and I thought that some of you would be interested in a grocery haul. So here we are today. Connor's school is having a food drive for families in need to hand out baskets for Thanksgiving. Each grade level had specific items that they were supposed to bring in or could, if they could. And of course, we're going to participate in that. So I grabbed 2 boxes of macaronis for that, some pasta salad, 3 boxes of stuffing mix, a couple bags of instant potatoes, some gravy mixes, and they also wanted dessert mixes. So I got a devil's food cake mix, a white cake mix, and a vanilla icing and a chocolate icing. And all of this is going to go to the school tomorrow for the food drive. In the description box I will also share our meal plan for the grocery haul, for the stuff I'm hauling. 2 Jiffy breads, some seasoning coating mix for chicken, so that I am going to have cornbread, we are going to have cornbread one night with some beans and shake and bake chicken. I got the hamburger helper cheeseburger macaroni and the tuna cheesy pasta. I always like to have these on hand for quick meals, and I don't know that I will use these within the next week or two, but they'll be in the cabinet ready to go. I did buy 2 cans of pinto beans because I like these for my soup beans, a beef ramen, some buttermilk ranch, some of this sauce I can never say it right, and some of this cooking spray. I did grab a country gravy mix for some biscuits and gravy one day. I cannot make my own gravy. I totally need to try my hand at that soon. 18 count eggs, a half a gallon of milk, because I don't know about y'all, but the milk seems to be going bad quicker than the date on it. So I resorted to buying only half gallons for right now. Some creamy whip topping spray, some pumpkin spice coffee creamer, a tub of butter, got some jumbo biscuits, some cheese singles. I normally like Kraft, but they don't have Kraft at Save-A-Lot, so. And these are going to be for like grilled cheeses, beef stew, grilled cheese and soup, something like that one night, real easy. I got some oranges, some grapes. I also got a bag of potatoes as well. Now on to meats. I did pick up a jumbo pack of Fisher's hot dogs. We're going to start, now that it's cooling off a little bit, we're going to start using our grill again. So I picked those up to put back. We got a Kentucky Legend ham and a Kentucky Legend turkey. And we're going to use these for breakfast and sandwiches. And these are pricey, $7.19. And this one was $9.05. So those are pricey, but they're really good. So I got some bacon for breakfast and beans. Got some original sausage patties for breakfast. Now I did do the pick 5 today, so I got 3 of the ground beefs. So hamburgers one day, and an extra pack to put back, and possibly cheeseburger, hamburger helper one day. Not entirely sure, but 3 of those. A blade steak, and chicken legs. I wanted thighs, but they didn't have them, so I just grabbed the legs instead. More coat items. I got the Countryside shredded hash browns for breakfast. And I did pick these up for maybe a quick dinner or lunch to pair with a couple sides. I'm not entirely sure. I might do copycat DQ baskets again. I'm not entirely sure, but they're just chicken strips. And then I picked up 1 bag of the Rally's fries, and I will split this bag and make 2 meals. All moving on to breads and snacks, and we're pretty much done. I did get a 12 count of the Sunny Buns. They're from Herner's, and these are 12 count. And the 12 count of the hamburger buns as well. And I did get a 12 brown and serve rolls as well. Now, I already had bread, and I wanted to throw this little tidbit in here. And the reason why, we're a family of 3, but I buy the large. I just go ahead and spend the extra money and get the large buns. These buns are so soft and very tasty. But, and same with the rows here, what I like to do is take only what we need or you're going to use out of this package and freeze the rest. And then come next meal, you know, in a couple months or a couple weeks or whatever, I'll go to fix hot dogs or hamburgers again, and I will bring the bread back out and thaw it. Use the rest of the buns. So each of these will do us 2 to 3 meals, and that is how I also save money and don't waste any food. You freeze it, thaw it, use the rest, you're done. Same with the rows. I use what we're going to use and then for dinner, and then I freeze the rest in the next time. So this will probably make about 2 dinners if it's a big dinner with leftovers. And for snacks, this is to eat with like sandwiches or whatnot, Munchos, and I got some mild cheddar cheese dip to go with that. And I did pick up this big twin pack of Grippos. If you've never had a Grippo before, they're probably one of the hottest barbecue chips that you can find, and I don't know if it's just a southern thing or what, or if this is only you can find them in these areas, Kentucky being one of them, but they're amazing. If you've never tried a Grippo, they're so yummy. And I bought 2 of these because they are really hard to find, and we really like these pumpkin delight cookies, so I did purchase 2 of those. And then I found these today, which I found interesting, and they're pumpkin spice wafers, so I cannot wait to try these. But that is all for my grocery haul, y'all. This was a stock-up haul, and if any of you are wondering about vegetables or anything like that, I have a complete stocked cupboard full of canned veggies and frozen stuff as well. So I didn't need any more of those items. Yeah, so check the description box for a meal plan. And thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more grocery hauls.